How close are you right now? You said essentially in mice, you were able to cure diabetes by using their own stem cells. Is that correct?
So we can put human cells into special kinds of mice that don't have an immune system. We can make those mice diabetic before we put the cells in. And the human cells taken from the bloodstream from patients with type 1 diabetes and other forms of diabetes can reverse diabetes very effectively in those models. So that tells me, that if we can scale that up, for sure it'll work in a patient. The islet cell Edmonton protocol works reliably in patients, but it doesn't work necessarily long term for everybody, although there are a few patients that are 20 years out now from the transplant and still insulin free, but not the same for everybody. So how do we make these cells better? How do we make them more robust? And this is the journey that I really believe is going to get us there. But there's a huge amount of work ahead of us.
How important are the funds that are raised tonight and beyond? Like, essentially, they enable your research. Is that the bottom line?
Well, the funding is the key to everything. Without funding, we can't do the work. We can come up with great ideas and be enthusiastic about them, but we can't really test them robustly and make sure they're safe and make sure we can deliver on our promise without the funding.